The Art of Simple Living, by Shunmyo Masuno, is a delightful and insightful guide to finding peace, tranquility, and fulfillment in the simplicity of everyday life. This book is penned by Shunmyo Masuno, a Zen Buddhist priest, and master of the art of Zen gardening. In The Art of Simple Living, Masuno draws upon his extensive knowledge of Zen philosophy and practices to offer readers practical wisdom for living a more meaningful and serene life. Summary. The Art of Simple Living is a collection of 100 short essays or reflections that provide profound insights and practical advice for leading a simpler, more mindful life. Masuno's writing is concise and accessible, making it easy for readers to incorporate his teachings into their daily routines. The book is divided into various themes and concepts, such as mindfulness, gratitude, and decluttering, with each section containing a series of short, contemplative passages. The key themes and ideas covered in the book include mindfulness. Masuno emphasizes the importance of being fully present in each moment, savoring the simple pleasures of life, and letting go of distractions and worries. Minimalism. The book encourages readers to declutter their physical spaces and simplify their possessions, allowing for a more uncluttered and harmonious life. Gratitude. Masuno reminds readers to appreciate the beauty of nature, the kindness of others, and the many small joys that life offers. Harmony with nature. Drawing on his expertise as a Zen gardener, Masuno discusses the significance of connecting with nature and finding tranquility in natural settings. Self-care. The book stresses the importance of taking care of oneself, both physically and mentally, through practices such as meditation and mindfulness. Acceptance. Masuno teaches the value of accepting life's imperfections and finding peace in the present moment, rather than constantly striving for more. Throughout the book, Shunmyo Masuno provides practical exercises and suggestions for incorporating Zen-inspired principles into everyday life. His insights are rooted in the Zen tradition, but they are presented in a way that is accessible and applicable to people from all walks of life. The Art of Simple Living is a gentle and encouraging book that inspires readers to slow down, appreciate the beauty and simplicity, and find contentment in the present moment. It's a valuable resource for anyone seeking to reduce the complexity and stress in their lives and to embrace a more mindful and harmonious way of living.